5 seconds to go. Start. This appeal challenges the judgment and order dated 25th August 2008, passed by the Learned Division Bench of the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam, hereinafter referred to as the High Court, in Criminal Appeal numbers 326, 230, and 847 of 2005, thereby dismissing the appeals filed by Sibbu alias Sibbu Singh, accused number 1, and Boby, accused number 3, appellant herein, thereby upholding the judgment of conviction and sentence dated 18 December 2004, passed by the Additional Sessions Judge, Fast Track Court, 2nd Ad hoc Court, Thrissur, hereinafter referred to as the Trial Court, in Sessions Case number 208 of 2003, in respect of the said accused persons. While the same impugned judgment, the High Court, however, allowed the appeal filed by Biju, accused number 2, and acquitted him from all the offences charged with. Shown of details, the facts leading to the present appeal are as under. On 21st November 2000, Leela, complainant PW1, made a statement before the police wherein she alleged that accused number 1, the younger brother of her husband, was a convict who was then undergoing imprisonment as he was involved in many theft cases wherein stolen articles from the said thefts were disposed of by her husband. It is the case of the complainant that accused number 1 had escaped from the prison and was absconding. Due to the fear that deceased would disclose to the police about his escape from jail, accused number 1 along with other accused persons, namely accused number 2 to accused number 7, came in a jeep to the house of deceased on 20th November 2000 at 8 pm. The accused persons then held the deceased at knife point, forcefully poured liquor into his mouth, and compelled him to drink till he was left unconscious. When Leela, complainant PW1, tried to interfere, she sustained injuries on her palm due to the knife carried by the accused persons, with which they attempted to inflict blows on her. Thereafter, Leela, complainant PW1, along with her husband, were blindfolded and taken in a jeep. After covering a distance of about 30 kilometers, the complainant PW1 was dropped at Pumala, which was her native place. When she managed to reach her house with the help of a local from the said village, she informed her brother Babu PW6 about the aforesaid incident, who attempted to search for the deceased during the said night. Next day, that is on 21st November 2000, Leela, complainant PW1, along with Babu PW6, lodged her statement Exhibit P1 at the police station. Based on the contents of the aforesaid complaint, a first information report Exhibit P19, for short FIR, came to be registered against the aforementioned accused persons along with other unknown persons for offences punishable under section 395 and 365 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, hereinafter referred to as IPC. Accused number 3, appellant herein, was arrested by the police on 25th November 2000. Based on his disclosure statement Exhibit P23, the dead body of deceased, which was buried on the banks of river, was recovered. Additionally, stolen goods were also recovered from the house of accused number 3 and were marked as Exhibit P14. Accused number 1 and accused number 2 were arrested on 28th November 2000 from a lodge. Subsequently, they were handed over to the police on 2nd December 2000. Based on the disclosure statement of accused number 1, the spade with which the deceased's burial spot was dug was recovered near the site where the body was exhumed from, concealed in a plastic bag. At the conclusion of investigation, a charge sheet came to be filed before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Court Second Thrissur, who committed the case to the Sessions Court Thrissur for trial. Charges came to be framed by the trial court for the offences punishable under sections 395, 364, 365, 380 and 302 read with section 34 of the IPC. All the accused persons pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. The prosecution examined 33 witnesses to bring home the guilt of the accused persons. The prosecution also placed on record 14 material objects which were marked as MO1 to MO14. During the cross-examination from the defense side, DW1, father of the deceased, was examined. The accused persons were questioned under section 313 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973, for short the CRPC, wherein they denied the circumstances that appeared against them in evidence which were put to them. Stop.